Oh, hey everybody, how's it going? This is Resi, and I would like to wish everybody a early happy New Year 2020. Now, today I'd like to recommend a credit card that you might not have heard of. I actually recently came across it too, and I got it, and it really saved me significant amount of money. So I figure I'll provide that. I'll lay it out the advantages and disadvantages and let you decide yourself to see if that's good for you. Before I dive into the details of this B&H credit card, I'd just like to take a minute to talk about the use case of this credit card. So this credit card is actually designed to be just used at this B&H photo, video, and pro audio online website. I believe this website is operated out of California. And here I included a snapshot of the website, and I have used this website for many weeks now. I did not find a problem, and this website specializes in photo, video, and pro audio equipment. They also sell things like monitor and computers. So I actually during the Black Friday period, I actually bought a 35-inch curved LG monitor from this website, and I got a great deal out of it, and also saved sales tax on it. And this is another reason why this website teamed up with Synchrony Bank to release this credit card. The Synchrony Bank actually also issued the Amazon store credit card. So this credit card offering is definitely legit. Now, the motivation behind issuing such a credit card for this B&H website is basically to create a competitive edge over other online shopping places such as Amazon, Best Buy, you name it, for electronics, where they're trying to gain this edge by providing you with this choice to avoid paying sales tax. So, and we just talked about it, that the sales tax is usually a matter of 6% or more. So it's actually quite an advantage. So the hope of this website is to earn your business away from the other peer competitors such as Amazon and Best Buy. Now, the business through this credit card is still paying the sales tax, but you as a buyer will not see that appear in your credit card statement after the purchase. So this is entirely legal. So, honestly speaking, then you can help to wonder, oh, then what's the business model of this credit card? All credit cards are created to make money. Well, they can make money if you do not pay off your balance, if you do not plan your purchase. So I'm assuming that on average, if you take into account all the accounts in this branded credit card, then they probably still make money net of all the cost. But if you're a savvy buyers, then this is a great opportunity to save some more money. And as you imagine that, say an average sales tax is about 6%, 6 to 7%. So if you are buying a $1,000 equipment, which if you are shopping for high-end cameras or computers, you could easily spend $1,000. So that alone would save you $70 without paying the sales tax. So that saving is pretty significant. Now this actually segment naturally to the level of sales tax that we see depending on where you live. So let's talk about it. So here I processed a map of US states summarizing the kind of sales tax that you would have to pay buying things online. So you see that the sales tax ranges anywhere from the highest that I see is the Washington state, which is in the northwest direction of this country, and you pay about just over 9%. And the lower sales tax that I see on this map is Wyoming, which is about 5.36%. So any way you look at it, you save more than 5% on your purchases. Now, this alone, I believe, beats pretty much all the other cashback credit cards that you are going to run into. For example, credit card company these days, they would do these rolling promotions depending on the category we're shopping. For example, in this month, they might give you 5% return on gasolines purchases. Next month, they might give you a 5% return in movies, tickets, eating out. So you are never gonna be going to get 5% on any flexible item that you buy. It's always changing. So and at the most I see is 5%. With some credit card will offer you a 6%. For example, the American Express card will offer you a 6% return on groceries, but it has pretty high annual fees. So this card beats pretty much everything out there in terms of rewards. Now, unfortunately, this credit card is only designed to be used on this website. So it's not like a credit card that you can use for general purpose. So just so you know. Now next, we will go into details about the terms of this credit card. So here I summarize the APRs, or the annual percentage rate that you are required to pay if you miss paying off the previous month ending balance. So here I included the terms for the Citi Double Cash credit card and the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, which are very good credit cards in themselves. But as I mentioned, they do not offer as good of a return, cash bonus return, as this B&H credit card if you're looking to buy expensive electronic equipment. So the drawback is typically the kind of interest rate that you are required to pay. It ranges anywhere between 13% and 26%, as I show in the red circles here, depending on your credit worthiness, your FICO scores. A credit card company or credit card or the banks will pay you on the lower number of that range if you have a higher FICO score, provided that you miss paying off the complete balance in the previous month. So for this credit card, it's a fixed rate of 30%. So it really punishes you if you do not pay it off. So the takeaway message of this is this credit card is the best for people who are in the habit of paying off all the balance as they go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode.